Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today's a quick little tutorial on doing a sexy pumpkin look for Halloween. I thought I'd use the Young and Wild Cruelty Free palette by Tarte. It has these beautiful fall shades in here. Absolutely stunning. The main shades that I've used out of this eyeshadow palette are these two basic orange shades here and this deeper chocolate brown shade there. If you can see. So guys, if you're keen on seeing how to get this cute pumpkin sexy look, then please keep on watching. This is basically just a very basic makeup look for people who don't really want to do a full-on face of effects with Halloween makeup. It's just simply to, you know, go out, maybe, you know, it's something that is definitely going to catch people's eye. So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this cute pumpkin sexy look, then please keep on watching. It's coming up right now. And guys, that completes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so basic. All we needed was just some setting spray just to wet the brush. Of course, you could have used anything to wet the eyeshadow brush, but the main star of the show, obviously, again, the angled eyeliner brush, angled E835 brush by Show, and it is just a fantastic brush in order to achieve that nice winged effect. Look, you don't even have to be so perfect with it. Makeup doesn't have to be perfect. I even wasn't perfect with completing this left eye here. For some reason I just couldn't get the angle right on this eye, but you know what, it's just makeup, and you can get it as good as you can get it. But yeah, so guys, that's about it. Do you guys have this Young, Wild and Cruelty Free palette by Tarte? How beautiful are the shades in here? I mean, I bought this when it first came out, and honestly I was just so amazed with these eyeshadows. Absolutely stunning. And how cute is the packaging? It's hard to show on the camera, but it does have like a shifty type vibe to it. Are you guys into the Christmas, why am I saying Christmas? Are you guys into the Halloween vibe? Are you guys doing anything for Halloween? What do you actually do for Halloween? Do you go all out there and get dressed and put on a special outfit and all that sort of stuff? Because I can tell you that much, this is as close to the Halloween that I'm going to get. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, welcome aboard. I love making makeup content for all you makeup enthusiasts. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are. Bye for now.